Hey everybody, it's Nick from Android Headlines, and we're here checking out Razer's Project Linda, a product that's as surprising as its name. It's been a while since we've seen a laptop dock for a phone, but Razer is bringing back the concept with a whole new flair that's truly worth taking a look at. The Razer Phone is already a beast of a device, sporting the latest Snapdragon 835 chipset and a 120Hz display, among plenty of other powerhouse components. Project Linda is the name for the laptop shell, which features a giant battery inside as well as a 120Hz screen to keep the experience flowing from phone to laptop. The Razer Phone actually powers the heart of the experience and docks into where the touchpad on a laptop would normally be. This then becomes the touchpad of the future, not only acting as a full multi-touch interactive pad, but also as the smartphone display users have come to know and love, all without diluting the experience by providing a less than stellar screen on the laptop itself. It's pretty clear Razer was designing this product to go hand in hand with the phone from the beginning, as the 120Hz screen on the laptop surely pushes the limits of what we thought a USB Type-C output on a phone could do. That's also the beauty of the whole situation. A single USB Type-C port can do so much, and since there's a giant battery inside the Project Linda laptop, you won't have to worry about draining your phone's battery while using it as the ultimate productivity or gaming device. In fact, it'll charge the battery inside as well, up to 3 times over thanks to the large 53.6 watt-hour battery. The laptop itself is exactly what you would expect from a Razer product too. A CNC machined aluminum unibody chassis, measures in at 15mm thin and weighs just under 3 pounds. Quad HD touchscreen will blow minds with its refresh rate and display quality, and there's even a 200GB drive inside the laptop for local storage when docked, keeping games and projects from taking up precious space on the phone. On the side sits a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-A and C ports, a 720p webcam, and dual array microphones. There's of course a full-sized chroma keyboard with a backlight that supports 16 million colors for each key, as we've come to expect from Razer, and the Razer Phone's dual front-facing speakers work as the perfect way to enjoy audio from the experience. You can even use a full-size mouse too, either wired or wireless, and the interface will become a desktop-like one the moment you drop the phone into the dock. There's no price or release date outside of sometime this year, but we imagine it'll be far less than a full-fledged laptop from Razer. Check out our other CES 2018 coverage here on YouTube, and don't forget to check out AndroidHeadlines.com for 24/7 tech news daily. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates too. Thanks for watching, and until next time.